This video is brought to you by Highlights.
It honestly feels like when you become a mom, you're not just, oh, suddenly I have a child. It's like you're transformed into an entirely different creature. Bananas and we need ginger. Oh, don't eat it. No, Cosmo. You want these? Walk, 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 walk. Wow, what a big boy you are. Yay!
Why are you giggling? What's so funny?
Do you want to read a book? Do you want to turn the pages? Oh boy.
Is this for real? Is my baby really turning 1? I didn't realize this milestone would be so, I don't know, monumental for me. I've been to dozens of birthday parties for 1-year-olds, and I never thought about it from the parent's perspective. 1 year ago, I gave birth. 1 year ago, I met my baby. 1 year ago, I started my breastfeeding journey, which was a roller coaster in and of itself. 1 year ago, my husband became a father and wooed me all over again with how much he loves our kid. A year. I can barely believe it.
You guys have no idea how excited I am to take my first sip of tea this morning. Oh yeah, that's good tea. We had a really rough night last night. Yeah, it was just one of those nights. Let's talk about our sponsor today. I can't believe I get to share with you that my sponsor today is Highlights. Yes, that Highlights magazine, the magazine you used to read and do the activities in at the dentist's office when you were 10. Highlights magazine is such an integral memory of mine from my childhood. I would constantly be working those puzzles, doing the find it things. I loved Highlights. Not only is Highlights like still around, it still has that same magic, optimistic, like feel good feeling that you once captured when you were a kid, and I'm so thrilled. They sent me these adorable products. Let me share some with you. The baby and I are absolutely loving this book called We're Better Together, a book about community, and I love the illustrations by Ekaterina Turkum. Such wonderful illustrations and obviously an amazing message about kindness. Highlights is such a wonderful company because they are so focused on creating like optimism in children. And if you guys are familiar with my own message on this channel, is I'm all about positive thinking, and I'm very I guess I would say I'm really trying to be intentional about how I share optimism and positive mindset with my own child and any future children, and just our own family culture of believing in the best, seeing the good in people, seeing the good in the world. It's about being okay with failing and then trying again. It's about knowing that you're already successful and amazing and you can act out of that, act out of worthiness. I just love that message so much, and it feels really good to be sharing these books and this brand that I loved when I was a kid with my own kid. And it's really cool. I know Highlights is most known for their incredible magazine, but they actually have a wide array of products for all ages, and I'm gonna link this gift guide below because I know the holidays are coming up, and I don't know, I love all the wholesome things, and this is like the kind of gift that lasts all year, like keeps giving all year round. Highlights is a brand that's really focusing on the small moments and family and connection and learning from moments and leaning into each other. So thank you again to Highlights for sponsoring today's video. Again, such an honor. And thank you also, Highlights, for being there for me when I was 8 at the doctor's office and bored and waiting for my name to be called. You were always there for me.
Whoa, look at the birds, Cosmo. Hi, birds. Hi, birdies.
What? Oh, you want to read that one? You want to read this one? Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick.
Hello, ready, set, giddy up, yeehaw, woo! Dun 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 dun, whee! Whoopoo! Yay! Oh, is that my zipper? 1, 2, 3, lift up! I know I'm biased, but my baby is objectively amazing. And I know every mom says this, but my baby is kind of a genius. He knows how to throw a ball in my general direction. He knows the words ceiling fan and give mama a kiss and many more. He was very young when I said, "Want to read a book?" And he would giggle and get so excited for some cuddles and reading time.
That's a really nice book. Yeah. Oh. Thank you.
I both feel like I got really lucky to have a baby who loves books so much already, but also, like, of course he does. I've always loved books, and it's been so amazing sharing my bookworm side with my son.
Meow. Peekaboo.
Aww.
Peekaboo.
It's my cinnamon broom from Trader Joe's. Yeah, it's a pumpkin. What's that? It's another pumpkin. This. Oh boy, the pumpkin's wearing a scrunchie.
Oh yeah, it's really cool.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I got to boop your belly, just a boop like that. Yeah, boop your nose, just a boop like that.
Where's mommy's nose? Where's mommy's nose? Is this mommy's nose? You got it! Ouch! Wow! Whoa! You're so strong! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Whoa, buddy.
My mellow fellow baby has taught me so much this year. Just this entire year of becoming a mama and the whole experience has taught me more than I could have imagined. I've learned how much I love being a mom. I've learned that if you Google anything regarding your postpartum experience, someone else has Googled the same thing. I've learned how to slow down. I've learned how to race the clock. I've learned that the state of my house is the least important thing. I've learned chores can wait. I've learned not to do anything during nap time that can be done while the baby is awake. I've learned how to read the same book over and over again and still enjoy it because my baby is so happy. I've learned that singing a lullaby in the middle of the night is really hard. I've learned I can't do this alone. I've learned baby feet look just like third trimester feet. I've learned I want so many babies now. I've learned there are 100 opinions on how to properly burp a baby. And I've learned I'm capable of so much more than I ever thought possible.
The fact that my baby is turning 1 is so insane. I know other moms like probably go through this where it's like, oh, I'm trying to process everything. Like a year is just a monumental sort of milestone and not even accomplishment, but just like, we did it. We made it to a year. It's like the most wonderful ride. It's the most spectacular thing and the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. I think it's a 2 cup of tea kind of day.
Hookah shaka, hookah, hookah, hookah shaka, hookah, hookah. I can't stop this feeling.